everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Obapa Skinny. It's been a while since I made video. Yes, I have been busy, but I'm back. Today I'm going to show you how you can formulate your own facial toner, which really works. That's what I use on my face at the moment, and I feel like I have to share it with you all because it has been working for me, and I would love to share with you those who want to use it, because normally when you cleanse your face, you need to tone your face with a face toner before you use your serums and your face cream and the rest. But most people, they just wash their face followed by their face cream, and they are expecting a glowing skin. Some may achieve that glowing skin, but most time if you follow the procedure, then you are going to achieve that glowing skin. You first need to cleanse your face, from your face cleanser to your toner to your face serum and your face cream or any other thing you use on your face. So for me, I would love to share my face toner that I use, and I formulate this recipe myself and I use on my face. All we need is a glowing skin and a healthy skin tone. So this facial toner, I'm going to involve some skin lightening ingredients in it, which really helps clear that spot, blemishes, or hyperpigmentation. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and also share my videos and leave me a comment. So let's start this recipe. Let's make lavender water. I'm using dry lavender flower, so I took 2 tablespoons. So what you're going to do is add distilled water to your lavender, enough distilled water that you can use for your recipe, and you are going to boil this for at least 2 minutes. Then you off it to cool down. After that, you strain it, then you take the quantity you need for your recipe. So next, let's measure a distilled water. So always when you are making recipes, you need a distilled water. You can't use type water, or let me say any water, mineral water, or some people call it bottled water. No, you need distilled water. That's what we use, or the mineral water or purified water. So what you will measure next is your witch hazel, which is very good for sensitive skin, and it's very good for skin. That's the reason why I use it, and I really love it on my skin. So I'm going to measure my witch hazel. I will put the recipe down in the description box if you want to make this face toner. So I have to take some from it because I over measure it. Also next, I'm going to add my aloe vera juice. So that's my aloe vera juice, and aloe vera have a lot of skin benefits. That's one of the reasons why I involved aloe vera juice in it. So now I'm adding my infused lavender water. So I like the color and the scent. I'm not going to add any essential oil, so this doesn't really smell anything, but I like the scent. So I'm adding sodium latte. Sodium latte is good for moisturizing, in the same time it has skin lightening effect because it contains a little lactic acid in it. So next is my Allantoin powder, which is very good for skin moisturizing, very good for sensitive skin, cracked skin and dry skin. And we are going to use another natural skin lightening powder, which is Glutathione, which is a natural skin lightener, which is very good for skin lightening, so for that spot and clear blemishes. Also, what I'll do is add my powders to my water freeze. So all the powders go to the water freeze and stir very well for everything to combine well. So when you are making skin lightening products, most time all the powders go to the water freeze. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat it to the temperature for my preservative, and the temperature for my preservative is 122 Fahrenheit or 50 Celsius. If you don't have a heating plate like this, all you have to do is double boiler your water freeze for the powder to dissolve well and for you to get the right temperature for your preservative. And when you are using preservative, please check the temperature range for that preservative. Every preservative has its own temperature range. So next, after I have heated and bring it out from the plate, what I'm doing is I'm adding my Honeyquat to my solution. That's my water-free solution. And Honeyquat is very good for moisturizing skin. It's very good. I'm adding vitamin B5, which is very good for skin. It really moisturizes skin and keeps skin soft to make it smooth. So that's one of the good things I love. And I have another lightening extract, which is licorice extract, which I really love. It really lightens dark spots and blemishes, and it's natural. That's one thing I love. Most of my skincare products, I have licorice extract in it. I really love it. So next is my preservative. I'm adding my preservative. You can use any preservative of your choice. Just check the percentage user rate and the temperature for your preservative. So you stir everything together, and this is one of my favorite toner. So next, what you have to do, when it's cooled down completely, pour into your empty bottle and it's ready to use. Most time when you finish using your face cleanser or your face soap and you rinse it off from your face, you use cotton and you pour a little of your toner in it. You use it to wipe all your face to remove the extra dirt from your face before you apply your serum or your face cream or your sports treatment if you are doing that. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.